Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 18. If y is equals to x squared plus root x, find the y dx. A, we have 2x minus 1 over 2 x raised to power minus 1 over 2. B, 2x minus x raised to power minus 1 over 2. C, 2x plus 1 over 2x minus raised to power minus 1 over 2. And D, 2x plus x raised to power 1 over 2. Now we're asked to find what? To differentiate. We're asked to differentiate y in respect to x, and y is equals to x squared plus root x. Now this simply means that y is equals to x squared plus x raised to power of 1 all over 2. Now the y dx is equals to the y dx. Now differentiating this, we have 2x raised to power of 2 minus 1, then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by x raised to power of 1 over 2 minus 1. Now the y dx is equals to 2x, because 2 minus 1 will give us 1, so 2x, then plus 1 all over 2x raised to power of minus 1 over 2, because 1 over 2 minus 1 will give us minus 1 over 2. So this is the answer to this question, and that is option C, 2x plus 1 over 2x raised to power of minus 1 over 2. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.